Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a wee bit different because I have some sort of throat issue going on. My throat feels like I have sand in it, so it's like really uncomfortable to be talking, but I wanted to do a video for you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be doing very minimal speaking. So if you don't like my voice, this is the video for you. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're also doing this soft pink blush toned makeup look that is perfect for every day. So if you guys want to see how to achieve this and not listen to me ramble, then just keep watching. Action. My camera shut off and wasn't recording, so that was good. I just went like this and then I showed you guys and then I put it on my inner corner. So Great. Probably just giving myself crow's feet by doing that, but you gotta do what you gotta do for that wing, baby. The key to an intense sprayer is to spray it up into the sky and let it fall down till it all falls down. Oh, it just hits you so good when it has time for gravity to do its thing. So then this is the part where I tell you guys how much I love how this look turned out and send you off with a kiss. So I'm gonna do that, and hopefully next time my throat is feeling better. But thanks for watching this semi-awkward video.
I should show you guys my throat for all of you YouTube doctors out there, so you can diagnose me with like throat disease or something.